We are here. We are having some issues, so the concrete is up, is higher because of this big tree. So we are going to cut the roots, and I'm going to show you all the problems that they have, and later, and the whole process, so that way you can do it yourself. You can see this has been lifted because the roots of this tree that you see here. So we're going to cut it all in pieces, and I'm going to show you the process. I have all the concrete here, so now we are going to put it in the trailer, as you can see here. And if you don't know how much concrete you have to get, just go to any online calculator, put the dimensions, the thickness, and you should be good. You can see with the machine, with this hammer drill, rotary drill, we are taking pieces by pieces. Then we're going to use the hammer to make it faster. Right here I'm going to show you the roots that they had. So we had to remove a lot of them. Now we are prying with the bars, so that way we are removing everything. As you can see here in the picture, all the roots that they had behind the concrete, underneath the concrete. And here we are putting the lumber, so that way we can do the form, so that way we can keep the concrete in the way that we want it. And now we have the concrete mixer or the cement mixer, so that way we can put the concrete in place, and we're going to give it the shape that we want, and then everything will be flat, and for many years at least they're not going to have the roots for a very long time. This is the end of the day, and everything is looking great. So now we have to create a line in the middle. Customer is very happy. Also, I did a light replacement. We should be good. And later we will have to come back in another day to install this, where it was the column for the roof. All right, so we are going to make it very flat here, very smooth. And then after that, we're going to let it dry a little bit. And then after that, we are going to use the broom, as you can see. So that way it will be more grippier. And so people will not, fall on it or something like that when there is snow or something like that. So that way it will not be slick. Now, as you can see, we're making the groove in the middle. So that way, when it's summertime and the concrete will expand, it will not crack because of that, and you will have just enough space or room to expand a little bit and to make it last longer without cracks or anything like that. So that is the idea of doing this type of caps every X amount of feet. Also, something extra that I did for the customer, I replaced the floodlight that she asked me, so she's happy with it, and we can do everything in one stop. All right, as you can see, everything is working. So we finished here the concrete, so we are ready to go now.